Thank you.
Thank you.
Ninong Francis.
Ninong Francis.
Auntie Sheena.
Auntie Sheena.
And Audrey.
And Audrey.
What is it? Let's see. Open the bag.
On this one. I'm going to use a lot.
Shake it.
I'm not strong enough. Could you get that one, please?
Here.
This one.
Okay, hold it up and say thank you.
Oh, my thing.
What is it?
What is it?
Look.
Look.
Ooh. It's okay. Is it books?
Books?
Okay. Say thank you.
Whoa.
Go ahead. Go from the first page.
This is Matthew.
What does that say?
Math?
Ooh.
This looks like
Here, read that.
ham, sat, mat, sat, Sam, sat.
Good job. Okay, bye. Matthew, say bye.
Bye.